Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change Facebook Messenger ringtone on your Android phone. Okay guys, so what you need to do, just open a Facebook Messenger app on your phone, and after that you need to tap on this gear icon. Okay, and after that tap on notifications and sounds. Okay, and if you see here, you can see that free call ringtone. Just tap on it, and at the pop-up you can see various ringtones. Okay, so currently it is set up to Messenger, and we have this default ringtone over here. If I tap over here, as you can see, okay, and you can choose from different over here. Okay, and after selecting you can tap on OK. Okay guys, so in this way you can change Facebook Messenger ringtone on your Android mobile phone. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. Hi guys, I have some more videos for you. If you like, you can check it out, and you can also subscribe to my channel by hitting on the big red subscribe button over here.